Good morning, YouTube. So, it is I, again, Janelle, here, making a hot mess, as I always do at the beginning of my vlogs. It's your girl, Janelle Sequira XO, and I am back with another video. It's a lot of product. I'm sorry, I'm just gassing myself right now. I literally just woke up. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and now I'm making chai tea because that's what I do. It's Monday, December 10th. I love Mondays. I used to hate Mondays when I worked a corporate job or office job, call center job, whatever you want to call it. I used to hate Mondays, even though my week started on Sundays anyways. But yeah, I used to hate Mondays and now I don't. I love Mondays. It's a new week. It's fresh opportunity, you know, blank slate, all that jazz. But I literally haven't started my morning routine yet or anything. I'm so sorry if I'm like, you know, I literally just woke up, guys. Literally just woke up. Is this it, Chief? That's it. Okay. Oh, thank God. Okay, so today I am going to start the process of recording a sponsored video. I have like 3 of those to put out this week, so I apologize in advance. I have to make one live today so I can get that moolah. Oh, actually, yeah, it's supposed to go live at 12. I've got to clean the house because I didn't get to do that yesterday. I really think that's all I'm doing. I might try to like take a hair pic for Instagram if my hair's looking alright. I don't know. We'll see. Hey guys. So, I'm back and I just, well, not really just finished, but I sort of kind of just finished recording a video, sponsored video. I'm dyeing and bleaching some hair blonde or ash blonde. Hopefully this goes well. And oh, my battery's gonna die. Fun times. Hopefully there's still some time left. But yeah, so I decided to get something to eat because I was starving. Took a break, watched a little Netflix, and now I'm about to get back to working on this website for my boutique, my online store. And there's just so much that needs to be done. It's not like so much, I'm not even gonna lie, it's a lot. It is a lot, but we're gonna get it done, okay? When I get overwhelmed, I procrastinate, and I'm sure I'm not alone on this. I'm sure I'm not alone, but it's just like, where do I even begin? Like, I don't even want to start this, like, just procrastinating. But I've broken it down into 3 things that I want to get done today, or 2.5. So I want to add an about, well, I've added all these sections, but I need to fill them in with information. So I want to write up a little about us paragraph or whatever, and I want to draft up a return policy, and then I want to start writing the product descriptions because, well, I mean, I'm sure I can probably find, who's this? Oh yeah, I want to start writing my product descriptions. I didn't order my stuff from online. I went to the actual warehouse, so I don't know. First of all, one of the warehouses, I don't know if they have an actual website. The other one, I know they have a website, but I don't know if everything they have in stores on the website, because it doesn't look like it. They have a lot of stuff in the warehouse and not as much stuff online from what I can see. So I'm going to try to see if I can find them and get product descriptions from there and just kind of build off of those, so I'd have a little bit less work to do. But I also kind of want to, you know, make it my own a little bit. I'm not a person that really likes to cut corners unless I really have to. I like to do everything myself. I like everything to be organic, but sometimes it's just not feasible, so you have to cut corners. But if I can avoid it, I try to. But sometimes you just can't like do as much work. Sometimes you really have to cut out some of the work. I'm gonna try to do this stuff, this about us section and this return policy, and maybe get started on these product descriptions, and that's gonna be my night. I'm gonna try to attempt to go to the gym later on, but child, I just don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. But I'm gonna try. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be my day or my night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Oh, we're supposed to see by 10? Well, y'all just wait for me. Come we all sit in together. But then can... Oh. Oh, alright.
It's so ugly today. It's so gloomy. Wow, really? I feel old.
World's greatest guitarist, and I think his band Cyan that he's done along with, you know, graduating today is a great accomplishment. So congrats to his band and
we ask that everyone remain seated throughout the ceremony. The graduation ceremony begins the moment faculty members proceed into the arena. Graduates, after walking across the stage, please return to your seat and remain seated as your degrees are not conferred until the last graduate walks across the stage and the president requests that you move your tassel from the right to the left. And for those of you that just moved your tassel from the right to the left, please wait for the president and not this voice to request that you move your tassel from the right to the left.
A lot of people got upset because they didn't tell them what we said at the back.
Yeah.
Like we're going back to the car to put up.
Yeah, we have to bring mommy's purse back to the car.
Jacqueline Marie Sigmera.
Woo! Go mommy!
Omar Rowe. Lourdes Ortiz.
Yeah,
By the authority vested in me, by the Broward College District Board of Trustees and the state of Florida, I confer upon each of you who are eligible to have earned your degree all the rights, privileges, responsibilities, and obligations. I offer my sincere congratulations to you. Graduates, please move your tassels to the left.
And then one with and one with the two of us afterwards.
Oh, you take it?
I can hold your jacket. It's a video.
I have so many things in my pocket.
Why don't you have a purse?
I didn't want to bring it because I was working. So.
Oh, okay.
That's the same place I saw. Where?
No, let's just go right here. You know.
It's a video.
Much appreciated. Thank you so much, darling.
Hello, YouTube. I look like, I don't know what I look like, but hello. As you can see, I am using my phone because I just don't feel like getting my camera. My phone was in my hand. So what's up, guys? Oh, let me put this back in the fridge. Yeah, guys, so wow, this week has been interesting. I didn't vlog a lot because not a lot really happened. I vlogged yesterday. You saw my mom's graduation, which was really nice. Spent the whole day with the family pretty much. Okay, so Sunday, what did I do Sunday? I don't remember what I did Sunday, but you can see it in the vlog. Monday, I worked on a sponsored video. I was dyeing some hair. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, I didn't get anything done. Nothing got done. Complete wasted days. Well, not really wasted, but like business-wise, you know, nothing got done. But I mean, like, it's okay because I post so many videos in a week. I post like 3 to 5 videos a week, or I have been for the past few weeks anyways. And I just like, I don't know, like and obviously yesterday I didn't do anything either. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, nothing for my channel or my store got done really. Ooh, this lighting is good. But I just been feeling like, you know, I need to be doing something. Like, something needs to be done. Like, I need to stop doing whatever I'm doing right now and, like, go get something done because it's ridiculous. I need to go do something. Like, one day is cool, but when three days pass and I don't do anything, I'm, like, losing my mind. Like, I can't live like this. Like, I can't let my channel go down. Like, I need to work on the store. I need to do something. Oh, but, then I took a look at my YouTube analytics and I realized that only 3 days was passed since the last time I posted a video. Granted, it was like a sponsored video or something, and those don't usually get as many views, or a vlog, one of them, I don't know. But it's not doing too bad. I mean, it kind of is, but you know, like, it's doing better than, like, those videos are starting to get more views. But anyways, the point is, I realized that it had only been 3 days since I posted a video. I will be okay. You know, like, I can't put so much pressure on myself. I think I was telling you guys in a previous vlog, like, make sure you spend time with the people that you love. Like, regardless, like, yes, you're gonna have to sacrifice a lot of time spending with your friends and your family, blah, 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 to get work done. But don't make it non-existent, you know? Like, spend some time. Like, obviously, I wasn't gonna miss my mom's graduation because, like, what are you kidding me? Like, it's my mom. like that. But Tuesday and Wednesday, I spent pretty much the whole 2 days with my boyfriend, just BSing, not doing anything, just hanging out with him. But you know, it's fine because he's gonna be gone for the whole weekend, which actually brings me today. So yesterday, after my mom's graduation, we went out to eat and blah, blah, blah. It was great. And my boyfriend he needed a ride to the airport this morning at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I just spent the night at his house because who was going to drive 30 minutes to his house to drive 30 minutes from his house to the airport at 5 in the morning? No, it doesn't make sense. So I just stayed the night at his place. And I mean, nothing was gonna get done last night anyways because I was super tired after, you know, graduation festivities, and let me go start setting up and whatnot. But hey, Bella, what's up, girl? But yeah, so today I'm gonna try to get as much done as possible because I'm running low on funds. I don't want to use my credit card because I've used it so much already. My checking account is really low. My savings account is really low. Everything is just really low. So I need to get some videos done so I can get some money because I don't get paid from AdSense till next Friday. And going a week with like this much money in my account is not lit. So I'm setting up right now for a video in my room. But I'm already off to a late start because it's like noon. Because I came home after I dropped him off at the airport. I got back here. It was like almost 6 o'clock a.m. Mind you, a.m. And I just went back to sleep because we only got 2 hours of sleep last night. 2 hours of sleep. And I just can't do that. So I had to go to sleep when I got home. I just went straight to sleep. And I didn't wake up till 11. And, you know, I had to eat breakfast and all that stuff. So, like, I'm just going. I haven't even showered yet. And I know that's gross. I'm sorry. But I don't smell or anything, you know. Like, I don't need to take a shower, but I really want to and I should. But I'm going to try to get this video done. I'm doing this African Pride review. My hair's been in a pigtail. Well, okay, let me not say nothing got done. I did start recording this video, so I'm gonna try to finish that video. And while my hair is drying, while my twists are drying, I'm gonna make a wig for a video. And then if I get that done in time, because I still have to run to the beauty supply store and all that, if I get that done in time, I have another video to do. But I just have a feeling that's not gonna get done, you know what I mean? Also, oh, I filmed a haul video, but I did not like how it came out. I filmed that on Tuesday before I started hanging out with my boyfriend. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, but that's literally been my week, all over the place, okay? So, yeah, I filmed a video, but I didn't like it, so I had to scrap it, so it just made things worse for me. You know, so now I'm backed up like 4 videos and Jesus, I just can't. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I am gonna get to work. Ignore this. My bathroom was getting renovated and this stuff is in here now. Hopefully not for long. I have pimples. I'm stressed, okay? I'm stressed, but it's fine. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it. Oh, with a smile on my face. So yeah. Yeah, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.